We can no longer imagine a world without technology. Ingenious inventions of ever-increasing precision are taking over specialist tasks from humans. These intelligent applications rely on complex electronics that must be extremely reliable even under extreme conditions. We can only create electronics with such high reliability by working together as customer and manufacturer from the start of the design process. VDL TBP Electronics offers these early supplier involvement services for the assembly of printed circuit board assemblies, or PCBAs. With design analysis and advice, we help our customers perfect the manufacturability, testing, cost, and logistics of their electronic designs. This design for excellence delivers the highest product value and the lowest total costs. We invest in state-of-the-art equipment and ever-smarter automation of our production process. The quality certificates we have earned demonstrate our process control and quality control. We focus on intensive partnerships with our suppliers to ensure that we have the right components on time. Our customers demand flexibility and variety, from PCBAs to complete modules, from new product introductions to volume production, with the desired quality and reliability, exactly on time and in the right place. This makes VDL TBP Electronics unique thanks to the enormous dedication and expertise of our employees. We care about the world around us and are ready to serve our customers.